Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Search Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset or initialize the new tire pressure of a Seat Tarraco. This one comes from 2023, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Search Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, we had a flat tire and this indicator over here, let's see, this one was turned on, and this is how you can get rid of that. First of all, press this menu button over here, then we're gonna go to vehicle, and as you can see there is a new set tire. Have the tires all the desired pressure, of course, and then press this one, then just press the confirmation, and you'll see get the indicator over here is gone now. I've done it before, so the indicator was already gone, and so this is on how you can get rid of the indicator. That was it for this video. Thank you for your time watching our videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.